In my last video, I spoke about rankmath SEO plugin and the different settings that you will get in rankmath. So in this video, we are going to talk about what are the on-post feature that rankmath has, and we're gonna compare rankmath with SEO on-post features. So if you want to see my last video, then the link I gave in the I section. So let me go to my WordPress dashboard and show you what are the features that rankmath has for the on-post optimization. So for my two different blog, in one blog I'm using the rankmath and in other blog I'm using Yoast. So I'm going to compare both. So let me go to any post. So here is one of the posts with rankmath SEO installed. So as you can see here, the SEO score is 87 out of 100. So this interface is a bit different compared to Yoast. So let me show you how the interface looks like in Yoast. So friends, in this blog we have Yoast plugin. So let me show you how the interface looks like in Yoast. So as you can see here, it has two options, one for the SEO and one for the readability. So in case of rankmath, we do not have anything for readability, and also rankmath gives score, the numeric score, like out of 100 how much you scored. In case of Yoast, it is saying good, okay or bad. So that is the difference. Now this score will differ based on your focus keyword. Now the good part in rankmath SEO is that you can have up to 5 focus keyword, but in case of Yoast, you can have only one focus keyword in the free version. If you buy the paid version, then you can have more. So if you compare the free version of rankmath, and obviously rankmath is always free, so if you compare the free version of rankmath with Yoast, I feel like rankmath is really good. So as you can see, like I have added 5 keywords. So for this keyword the score is 87. If you click on this keyword, the score is 47. So like for each and every focus keyword, it will give a score. Alright, but in case of Yoast, you can have only one focus keyword. Now how to improve the score and based on the focus keyword and the content, so that is all to the different topic. So I'm going to make another video like how to optimize your WordPress post content, so that you can have good score in rankmath. Now coming to the checkpoints, like in the rankmath, it has so many options. Like for the basic SEO, it will check for the focus keyword, whether it is there in the content or not, and how much the word the content has. Then if you go to additional, it has the URL, then the focus keyword, whether it's there in the subheadings or not, then whether you are going for external linking or not. So like this, they have so many checkpoints which will which will vary, like based on content to content, and based on that it will give the score. Also it has option for readability, like whether your title has some positive or negative sentiment, or it has some power word or not. Though it is not giving a score, but it has that it has a checkpoint which will verify your content. Then again, like, the content readability, like, are you making some good paragraph, are we in a paragraph, are you writing more than 2 sentences or not? So each and everything it will verify. In case of Yoast, for the SEO we have a good number of points, and for the readability also we have good number of points. But in case of rankmath, it is giving a detailed analysis, so which I feel is really good. There is one more option for the link suggestion, like while you're writing the content based on the keyword, it will tell you what are the internal links that you can make. This feature is available in Yoast in the paid version, but in rankmath you're getting in the free version. So that is one plus point for rankmath. So that's all, friends. In this video I gave you just an overview about the difference of interface for the rankmath and for the Yoast in terms of on-page optimization. I'm going to make a new video on how to score good in rankmath based on so many options or features that you have seen here. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.